model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer 333 L1h1 Blue 2.0 HDI starts runs drives fine needs head gasket replacing VAT inclusive bargain. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 119782. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.